Hi, this is the second part of that video where I took the pump apart and ordered this repair kit. It's a few weeks ago now. So here's the kit off eBay. I think it was £15. I think it was delivered. It's an impeller. There's two little like rubber bushes either end. The main seal for putting the two parts together, and the two rubber seals on the end of the pipe that goes into the outlet pipe. All stuck to the bottom there because of the magnet. All the screws are stuck to the bottom of the other cup. And there's the old one. You can see it's split. Obviously, it gets water into it and split. And I was just looking how the two little rubber bushes work, and I realised that on the other part of the housing that the motor is in, the bush is actually stuck inside. It's come off the old one. Obviously the new one wouldn't go in there, so I'm just going to pick that out. It's better now. I'm glad I noticed that. I probably wouldn't be able to put that back together. Would have been crushing it. I've tried several times with this gasket. It is set in. There's a cutout in it, but it keeps moving, and I just felt as though that's going to pop out when I try and put it back together. It just felt a little bit too tricky, so I thought I'd just put just a little smear of silicone round into the groove, just to keep it into position, stop it popping out. Also, it's not going to do any harm, I don't think, with water. You know, the waterproof, keeping the water within the pump. So yeah, I put it on, but I just thought, no, I don't know whether that's just gonna pop off again. I'm gonna try and put it back. Can't see it once it's together. Yeah, it seems to be coming off at the top there. Yeah, I'm happy with that now. I'm going to stick it all back together. I'll just speed this up a bit. They're captive. The nuts just push into like the little captive slot underneath. just fitting the rubber seals on, and I'm going to put it back together. Get the silicone off my shirt. Ted wants to play. Looks good. Impeller's moving. These are going on eBay for about £60 second hand, these pumps. So your pump's making a noise, you don't realise you can get the parts for it, you know. Maybe tell us how much a new one is. But what I do know is that filter housing there, the show you in a minute when I go to it, the seals had gone on the inside, and I think that stops any of the dirt or stuff going back. It's like a one-way valve seal. I couldn't say you could buy that seal anywhere. I looked on eBay for the filter housing, and they were like about 30 quid. I actually got that from Best Way, £8.99 with £3.95 delivery direct from Best Way. So I put a new filter housing on as well. I don't think that matters which way that goes. I don't think it's well, it hasn't got anything. Just got two pins, nothing to centralise it. Just stuck it back. Oops, stuck it back. And then the screws that hold the pump in place to the housing inside. I'll get me long screwdriver for that. That's tricky. Ted, do you want to play? Yeah, it's tricky, that inside one. Make sure everything's tightened up. Put the base on. Here's the old house in here. You can see that seal. It's like a one-way seal has gone. I couldn't see where I could get that from anywhere, so I ended up paying £8. I think it was £8.95. I think it was. Was it £7.99? Anyway, it's about a third of the price of what they're going for on eBay, direct from Best Way. A few tablets in. And we're nearly ready for testing. See how quiet it is. And that's it, sorted. It's nice and quiet now, no noises. Nice easy DIY repair, 15 quid. At one point I was thinking, I don't know how to get a new pump or get one of the later ones with the Wi-Fi on and all that, but they're 400 quid, so 15 quid sorts that out for now. Thanks for watching.